Hey, we're here today to talk about the 2021 Minnie from Winnebago Towables and all of the awesome changes we're bringing to market now. We have done a lot of time focusing on pain points from customers, what you guys are talking about in the chat rooms and on social media, and we feel like we've done a good job addressing these and giving you everything you're gonna want for 2021 in the Minnie line. So let's start and go from top to bottom, or from bottom to top. So we're gonna start right here, 15-inch tires. In years past, our Minnie line only offered 14-inch tires. So we know that's a pain point out there. So we've gone to a 15-inch E-rated tire, but it actually has an L speed rating for up to 75 mile an hour. So a little bit more peace of mind while you're out traveling. As we continue to go up, one thing you'll notice when we go to the inside is interior height. But before we go in there and talk about that, I want to talk about it on the outside. So we were in that 6'6" space, and people wanted us to get a little bit higher. So we actually took the interior height up 2¼ inches to give you more living space, kind of giving you more. One thing that we did focus on, though, is we did not want to take that overall exterior height up because we don't want you to have to modify your storage or your barn doors or pole building. So we're featuring low profile air conditioners for 2021. That will help compensate for taking the interior height up without taking that overall exterior height up too much. Along with giving you low profile air conditioners, one pain point we found was for our dealers and our customers down south, they wanted additional cooling capacity. So you'll have second AC prep standard from the factory for 2021. That would be a bedroom prep second AC, or you can actually get that second AC directly from the factory if you choose to. That one will also be a low profile AC. One really cool thing that we're featuring is that it's still going to maintain 30 amp service. Now here's why that's important to you. Campgrounds have limited 50 amp service. So now you can operate 2 ACs on 30 amp and have more camping capabilities as you're out traveling. We've integrated an energy management system for 2021. What that means for you, or how that's beneficial for you, is if you have that second bedroom AC, you don't have to manually go shut off your microwave or turn your water heater off just to fire that second AC up. Automatically, this energy management system is going to shed your microwave. It's going to shed your water heater, get up, give enough energy to get that second AC going, and then once it gets back down to its running amps, it will automatically bring the microwave back on or water heater back on. So you're not going to run around and reset clocks or have to manually do anything or forget to do anything. We got that taken care of for you. So that really kind of hits on a lot of the highlights of the changes from the outside. As we go inside, you'll notice we have flush floor. We have really kind of tried to focus on flush floor plans, giving you guys more versatility and more floor plan offerings. Before, we kind of pigeonholed into dinette slides or booth dinettes or jackknife sofas. Now we can give you theater seating. We can give you 72-inch trifold sofa sleepers or even L-chase lounges, which we'll talk about more on the inside. So we're going to go on the inside and check out the new crosshatch decor and all of the new changes to the interior for the 2021 Minnie. All right, now we're here on the inside of the 2021 Minnie. First thing you'll notice is the new crosshatch decor. This is a more modern European contemporary styling. Things that you'll find more in like B vans or Class C Sprinters. We really wanted to give that new consumer a modern appeal. We kind of tapped our toes in the water of this with our hike last year. Dealers received it really well. Retail customers, when we went to Owners Rally, they said, we want more of it. So for 2021 in the Minnie, you're going to get full overlay cabinetry design, a lighter Cumberland maple, that's your main. Then we give you a linen for your accent cabinets, and we also tie it into the fascia header up here for the slide room. So again, very modern European contemporary design. So a lot of the changes for 2021, we really focused on giving you more, giving more features based on what you guys were saying you wanted. So we went to a larger 8 cubic foot gas electric refrigerator as an option, as opposed to in years past, all you could get was a 6 cube. We also, in addition to the 8 cube gas electric option, you can get a standard 10.3 cubic foot, 12 volt refrigerator. So now you have your two options, a 12 volt or a gas electric, but either way, you're getting more capacity. We gave you a larger 1.1 cubic foot convection microwave with stainless appointments. We're giving you more with a nice 3-burner drop-in cooktop. Also kind of that flashy, kind of fun, give it the backlit knobs. We've added large pull-out storage drawers for pots and pans, giving you a larger pull-down faucet sprayer, as well as a larger single bowl undermount stainless sink. So that gives you more countertop space, more prep space. All right, couple things that I want to hit on because they're great changes for this year. Dinette area. We are now incorporating what is called a Dream Dinette table. Years past, you have poles that are underneath here. You crawl in, you got to hit your knee as you're going in, or when you want to convert this to a bed, you've got these two pedestal legs and you're wondering, where do I put them? Now, with this Dream Dinette table, it literally slides up and down so easy, locks in the up position, locks in the lower position with the flip of a switch underneath here. So that makes converting your dining area to a sleeping area that much easier. We focused on styling. So we got rid of all of the heat registers that were in the floor from a aesthetic standpoint, as well as you're out camping, you're bringing in dirt or grass, or you got the pets. We don't want to get all the hair in there. So getting rid of all of your heat registers out of the floor, getting them lifted up into cabinet bases. But what's really cool from a residential styling standpoint is we're integrating heating and cooling as well as cold air returns into the bottom of cabinet bases. So again, it's a lot more residential feel as well as functionality in keeping all the dirt and grime or pet hair out of your heat ducts. One thing we did hit on the outside was flush floor. The floor plans where we can go to flush floor, giving you more sofa or dining options. Here's what I'm talking about. Right here, a flush floor slide, so you don't have a slide that's built up to where I've got to step into it or have a toe kick. Again, this flush floor design allows us to give you a 72-inch theater seat option. You could get a 72-inch trifold sofa sleeper, or even an L Chase lounge that kind of is like a sectional, and that would also convert into additional sleeping. So by us doing this, it allows us to give you, the consumer, more options in your dining, as well as more versatility in the floor plan offerings. Another kind of focal point that we were focusing on for this year is showers. So we're going to take a step into the bathroom. I'll jump inside the redesigned shower here so you guys can see what I'm talking about. One of our focuses in the Minnie line was getting 30 by 36 square showers where we can, getting rid of the corner, smaller radius showers. So I'm going to jump in here and just show you how big it is. Like I said, a 30 by 36 squared off shower. I'm 6'2", depending on the day how I style my hair here. So again, you can see 30 by 36 shower gives you more creature comfort and space for getting in here and showering off. We're going to head into the bedroom area here and talk about some of the feature highlights of the Minnie. Our beds will all feature 60 by 80 residential queen style or size mattresses. So you've got a nice 6-inch thick mattress with a fitted bedspread or fitted cover here. So no more trying to make it and it's falling off. You got that nice fitted cover here. The wardrobe and hanging shirt space here. We don't bring them all the way down to cover up and really kind of create that coffin feel. We intentionally leave them stop short so you get a little bit more shoulder room, you get additional nightstand space, but you'll also notice 110 and USB on both sides of the bed. Everybody's got cell phone chargers or alarm clocks, so the more electrical plug capacity you have in here, the better. One thing you'll notice as well is instead of just closing this off and having it be dead space, we left it open for giving you more flexible storage space. One nice thing about this design is We gave our engineering team all of your mobile CPAP sleeping machine dimensions. This is all mobile CPAP friendly. So again, lots of changes for 2021 Mini, but all of them are intended to hit on all of the pain points or what customers are asking for and what we're seeing out in the chat rooms there. So we're gonna head on back outside and we'll kind of recap all the changes for 2021 Mini. All right. One thing we need to hit on to finish talking about the bedroom is actually in this pass-through bay. So what we do when I was talking about the furnace and the heating is we actually take and we duct the furnace and give you a heated pass-through bay. So for any extended season camping, you're gonna keep your gear from freezing, but also think about that radiant heat that will actually keep the bottom of your bed warm, so it'll give you additional heating for extended season camping. We've got a lot of cool things to help you live, work, and play that we didn't even hit on the inside. We've got a wireless cell phone charger, we've got solar charger prep, we got Wi-Fi prep, all inside your travel trailer here. So wrapping up, don't forget, we've got some nice amenities. The Comfort Tech package, that gives you a fully enclosed, sealed underbelly with forced heat to it for extended season camping, as well as a radiant foil technology to block the sun's UV rays for those warmer climates. And the Explorer package is gonna hit on the larger tires, block foam insulation sidewalls, UV blocking windows. So again, a lot of those things you don't necessarily need to go camping, but they're great to have while you're out. And last but not least, don't forget about your 3-year limited structural warranty. Winnebago Towables backs the 2021 Mini. So I know there's a lot of stuff that we just went through, but that is a high-level overview of all the changes for the 2021 Mini from Winnebago Towables.